up, YouTube? Another morning, another vlog. It is Monday, July 15th, and I just got back from the gym. It is 7:10 a.m. I'm about to get the rest of my day started, and I'll come back when I am eating breakfast and drinking my coffee. First things first, I am feeding my cat. I just don't feel right actually like eating and then him not eating. So today he's gonna have this wellness complete health turkey and salmon entree. So before I go and get my breakfast started, I like to make sure he's fed. He's nudging at my legs right now, which is so annoying. Does anybody, if anybody's a cat owner, your cat does that like it just pisses me off. I'm like, can you please leave me alone and let me feed you? And honestly, guys, I am very tired. I just put a load in the washer. I'm gonna wash clothes, which feels criminal because it's gonna feel like over 100 today in New York City. I will not be going back outside. I think that after I get some work done, I'm actually gonna take a nap because I just function better when I can't even speak. I just function better when I can take a nap. But I don't know, because I'm gonna drink coffee and maybe the coffee will do the job where I don't have to take a nap until maybe later, or maybe no nap, who knows. I let myself do what I need to do though, so I can perform at optimal, you guys know what I mean. All right, little one, sit, good job. And he's eating. And as for myself, I want yogurt. I feel like yogurt with honey in the morning is so good for me because I don't really have a huge appetite in the morning. Some mornings I'll wake up hungry, but today, like, I don't have a huge appetite. So I'm gonna do some yogurt and I'm gonna do some coffee. I was gonna take a little break from coffee. I'm just not gonna drink a lot of it. This is the yogurt I am currently eating. I love this brand. At first I was eating like the regular vanilla one, but then I realized that it does have dairy in there, and I just don't like to have a lot of dairy because I've noticed that dairy does cause breakouts and just a bunch of other things. So plant-based coconut blend and vanilla flavored by Siggy's. This is good stuff. And I like to add some honey. Oh my gosh, it got stuck. I just kind of drizzle it on there. Well, first I put on a spoon and then kind of drizzle it on there. Not too much. And then if I'm still hungry, like I still need a little bit more, I'll have like a date. And that's been like my breakfast routine. Unless, as I said, I wake up really hungry, then I'll make something like a little bit more hefty. But honestly, this has been my breakfast. I like to use this milk from Trader Joe's. I use a bunch of different oat milks. I never stick to one, but this one's the one I have right now. And instead of sugar, I use agave. I remember when I can still drink like black coffee, but these days I just like to dilute it a little bit so it doesn't hit my stomach too harshly. Go get 'em, girl. All right, so now I'm just about to eat my yogurt and chill out. I usually watch whatever I'm in the mood for. I have been learning to not be so strict with myself about like, no, we have to do this, we have to do this, we have to do this. It's like, no, what are you in the mood for? And I have to understand the consequences of what I'm doing, right? So like if I watch something that, let's say it's a little bit more mellow, I have to understand this because this might affect me for, you know, whatever, make me more mellow. If I'm watching something like comedy, for example, like the other day I was watching a bunch of interviews of Kevin Hart. I was watching like Will Smith and Martin Lawrence do interviews, and then I was watching Kevin Hart's interviews, and they're all so funny. So I was doing that while I was working out actually, and I was actually good. That was good. I've been trying not to be so harsh with myself because I'm really strict with myself, and if I don't follow my own rules, I get stressed out. So I don't know what I'm gonna watch now. Dash just came over and he's just like staring at me right now, but I'm gonna find something to watch while I eat my yogurt and drink my coffee. So after this, I'm gonna probably hop in the shower. I am gonna hop in the shower because I'm very sticky, and then get my day started. I just took a quick shower because I am actually very tired. This coffee is not doing it for me today. It is Monday, so I'm gonna get a mental health Monday video up for you guys. So that's what I'm editing right now because I was able to pre-record it. Yay me. So that's what I'm editing right now. I'm gonna get this done. I have to get some footage done for a campaign for a contract. I have to get a certain clip filmed, so I think I'm gonna do that right after this so I could re-edit that and send that off and be done with that. And I think after that, I'm gonna take a nap. I do want to get into my self-care routine that I typically do, that I've been doing, and I really enjoy that routine. So I'm gonna do that self-care routine a little bit later. I want to be in a good space to do that. And right now I'm just too freaking tired. I'm gonna continue washing clothes. I'm about to switch to the dryer and then put another load in. I'm only gonna do 2 loads because this is too hot and I haven't even got the dryer started. Right now we're just editing this Mental Health Monday. Mental Health Monday is done. Campaign video is updated. It is nap time. And this is a part of my self-care. I'm tired. I'm gonna take a nap and I'll be back after my nap. A nap was had. I'm feeling a lot more refreshed. Still tired, but better. You know what I mean? That was the goal. So I'm about to drink more coffee and I'm actually gonna edit a vlog for YouTube. And then I have a bunch of laundry to fold. And what else? I think that's it. I've been answering emails in and out. So that's my life today, guys. Not very exciting, but it's my life. You guys, I've made it to dinner time. I'm about to prepare dinner. I have lamb shanks already in the refrigerator, actually marinating. So I didn't have to prepare anything, but I do have to cut up the potatoes and bok choy. Yeah, man, that's our vegetable for today. Dash is over there. I just gave him treats, but somehow he's picking at his plate. But yeah, I'm about to prepare dinner. I'm still so tired. I don't know what it is today, okay? These Monday blues have hit because what is happening? I'm just so sleepy for no reason. But I'll be back when dinner's ready.
Thank you for inviting us. We actually used to come here all the time, right, Thomas?
Good morning. It is now Wednesday, July 17th, and I am running on crunch time. It is 10:13 a.m. and I have an event at 2 p.m. but I have to do my hair and my makeup. And the issue is that my hair, it's a Y2K party kind of thing, little get together. And I'm gonna do like flat twist kind of. So that's gonna take some time, although I can work really fast. But I kind of got the day started late. I'm not even gonna lie, you guys. I had to feed Dash. I have water boiling because I'm gonna make some breakfast too. I'm kind of doing everything at once. But we're gonna get started on this hair first things first because that's probably gonna take me the longest. Makeup is gonna be simple. All right, so I'm starting sectioning off my hair. I'm okay if it's not even, honestly, if the line isn't even, because I cannot stress myself out about that. I'm just not sure if I want it that like long. I might bring it up a little bit more. Whew, it is too hot to honestly do anything today. But anyway, we've got our front piece. I'm not gonna make these big at all, thin at all, so it's not gonna take too long. I don't think it's gonna take too long. Let's just get started. Put in some leave-in. This is the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. I forgot I had this, so I found it. Now we're using it. All right, now I'm gonna put some gel, just a little bit. I'm using the pattern. Y'all, I had a hard time getting out of bed. That was my issue today. I really had a hard time getting out of bed. I had woken up this at like 6:30, went back to sleep. Then I woke up at 9. I got out of bed at 9:30. I kept waking up. I just kept snoozing. No bueno. All right. That's good. Nice and simple and quick. I used to do these all the time though, so it really ain't nothing to me. And plus, these are not long. I want to keep them right at the crown-ish so I could... The back, I'm thinking about curling with the curling wand a little bit. Nothing too crazy. It's just like my actual curls. I don't have products right now that's going to make them pop. And I want to make my curls pop. And I was going to do my hair last night too, but I was lazy because I went to the gym late last night. This is what I get for being lazy. Now I got to rush. But luckily enough, as I said, my makeup is going to be very easy. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. It's some me time. All right, y'all. These are done. I feel like I kind of made this one a little janky. It's mad wide. I'm going to leave it. I think something about the Y2K aesthetic too is that it wasn't necessarily super duper neat. It was kind of like messy but neat, you know what I mean? So I feel like that's what I'm kind of going for now that I didn't make it super duper neat. All right, so now drink your water. Now I'm going to work on the back of this hair. I'm gonna put some heat protectant on there and then I'm gonna get my curling wand and try to curl it. The heat protectant is from Heritage as well as this curling wand. I just received both, so I know this is good. Let's see if the wand is good. But again, I'm not going for perfect. I'm going for just accentuating, because my curls are not there, you know, they're just not, and this is not going to do it for me. And even if I refresh, I feel like it's not going to be enough. My baby brother is turning 23 tomorrow. Yeah, I'm a little emotional. Like, my brother is so grown, and like, I bet y'all older siblings can relate. Like, those are like our first babies. I could remember changing his diapers and being so excited to just be a big sister, and now he's grown. I'm still his big sister, but he's grown. Oh. Every time I get emotional. All right, I'm gonna move back in case I don't want to hit Dash's food. This food is like right under me. Not right under me, but kind of. I'm not good at curling my hair, so if I'm doing anything wrong, just, it's okay. That's a lot of curl. I am making them kind of big because, again, I'm just trying to get some curl back here. Ow, my wrist. Birds of a feather. I already feel like I'm in the 2000s. This hairstyle is taking me back. Y'all, I stopped for a quick little breakfast break. Avocado toast, some boiled eggs, some smoked salmon, and the coffee. We need the coffee. All right, y'all, I ate breakfast and now I'm back in the room. So I had put a little scarf on for the twisties. I'm still gonna fix my baby hairs and maybe curl a few more pieces and then hairspray the whole thing. Right now I think it looks pretty cute, and I am gonna add my little butterfly clips, you know, so it's gonna give. Right now I'm just jumping right into makeup because I do want to film a get dressed with me. So we are jumping right into makeup, and I think I'm gonna just jam out, so I'm not gonna like do a talking through the makeup here. I'm just gonna go listen to music so I could hurry up, okay? And I'll be back when my makeup is done. Oh, also, this is what I did to my nails last night. You see? Yeah, there you go. So these are Dash and Diva gel something manicure, and then I put these stickers on. These stickers are from Olive and June, and then I just put a clear coat over that. It gives because I'm wearing red and I have a lot of star accessories, so cute, but it's giving 4th of July at the same time, but whatever. Anywho, I'll be back when my makeup is done. All right, y'all, makeup is done. I went with cool tones. One, I don't really like doing cool tones, but I feel like Y2K is all about cool tones. I'm gonna jazz up my hair a little bit because what happened? My hair can't hold curls for real, but I'm gonna jazz it up, do some baby hair real quick, put some jewelry on, and then I'm gonna get dressed because it's crunch time for real now. All right, y'all, I'm ready. I have to go. I'm out of breath because I've been running back and forth, and it's so funny because Dash is running with me because he's like, what the fuck are you doing? What's going on? But I'm ready, and y'all gonna see more clips because I'm gonna vlog the event. See y'all later.
Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I don't feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't want yours. Baby, I just want you to give. Lately I've been a little foul, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
I'm back home, you guys. It's actually been a couple hours. Please don't mind the patchiness because I was sweating and then I went and like wiped it off when I got home because it's hot outside, okay? And then I have the glasses marks here. But the event was so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed the clips, but the event was so cute. They were playing like the old school music. I love that I saw a Lizzie McGuire poster, and then I saw the Beyonce and Usher album. I used to have like all of those CDs, but it was a great time. The cocktails were great. I think the overall theme, the Y2K theme, was really fun, and they had butterfly clips there. I was wearing my own already, but they had butterfly clips. They have the Tamagotchis. They had the Bratz dolls, the puff pens, where I think I have one actually. These cute pens, I love these so much. They just had a bunch of cute stuff, so I really enjoyed myself. Silver Jeans did their thing, and I went with my cousin, so it was a really good time. And I'm gonna end the vlog here because now you guys got like 2 days of footage. I do have I have a barbecue to go to this weekend, so a new vlog will be coming to you, and I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. I'm about to get this makeup off my face, take a shower, and hit the sack because I have an early morning tomorrow. So I'll see y'all in the next one.